Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I want to premiere a new sheet. This can be used for Julie Nutting paper dolls, for my Justine paper doll set, for on FaceUps characters, on magazine images, anything you want to use them for. So there is a whole sheet of hats and feathers and things to decorate the hats. And so now let me show you some fun ways to use this hat sheet. And there will be a link in the description box if you're interested in purchasing this sheet. I know a lot of people love the FaceUps and are having fun making magazine characters. People who are doing Julie Nutting dolls in the Julie Nutting group would love these. Here's a Julie Nutting girl, so look at what it would look like to put any of these hats. A bucket hat, a straw hat with some sunflowers, a beanie, this cute pink hat, that's adorable, a little Victorian style hat. Look at how cute she would look on with any of these hats on. So they're fun to cut out. Use your X-Acto to cut the little spot where you're going to slip the head into the hat, and let's try it out on some of the dolls and see how they look. And then again, you can use them for other things, not just Julie Nutting, so it's a very versatile digital sheet. So I'm starting by cutting out that cute little red pillbox hat from like the Jackie Onassis, maybe late 50s, early 60s era, and this is just some mesh from Baby Bell cheese. So the cheese that you get at the grocery store is what I'm going to use under that pillbox hat. So here's the hat cut out. I went around the edge with a pen to get rid of that white edge. Here's my little strip that I cut from the Baby Bell cheese, and I wanted to make it long enough that it would wrap around and create a circle, so it will go around the front and then around the back with the girl underneath, because that's how the hat would be. The mesh would be all around the whole hat. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it to the hat and then put it on the doll and then trim it. To attach the mesh, I just use some little strips of pop tape to pop it up, and it's really sticky so it sticks right to it. And then I can put the hat on the girl. Like this. So that's what it looks like. So cute. And then I think the mesh is a little bit too long for me, so I'm going to cut it off just below those last little places where they connect. So I wrapped it around to the back and then put a piece of tape around the back. So now the mesh goes all the way around. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So look how cute that is. She's got a little pillbox hat with mesh. So she's wearing her Jackie O style hat. Look how cute. Love it. So cute. And then you could even put a little feather or flower or something on that if you wanted to add even more to it. So to do another one, I love this straw hat, and it's got some sunflowers and leaves. It's even got this bow. That bow can be used on any of the hats. So can the flowers, but I'd like to put the 2 flowers, the 2 petals, and the bow with the pieces that hang down on that straw hat. So I'm going to cut those elements out, and then I'm looking in my book. I just posted a freebie class for how to catalog your Julie Nutting stamps. If you're a Julie Nutting fan, even if you only have a couple stamps and you're just getting started collecting them, a great way to catalog them. So I'm going to look through my book, and I'm going to find the perfect girl. Since they're already stamped, it makes it easy for me to see what they're going to look like and see which hat I want to put on which girl. I think I'm going to choose Jessie. So this is a cute stamp, the Jessie stamp. And I'm going to put that straw hat on her with the sunflowers. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp and dress my Jessie Julie Nutting doll, and then I'm going to cut out these hat elements and layer it and put the hat on Jessie. I think it's going to be really cute. So here's what Jessie looks like with the hat that I created. I ended up using the bow on her outfit, and I popped it up instead of putting it on her hat, but I popped up this sunflower, tucked in those other flowers, and made the cute sunflower hat. And I think that just looks so cute. So you can see that these hats are very versatile, and it changes up your Julie Nutting doll, or like I said, you can use it on a magazine image or on as a hat to go along with one of the FaceUps or the Justine paper doll set on in my shop. So that's versatile, and so far we've shown two of them, the little pillbox hat and the sunflower bonnet. So those are just a couple ways to use these hats, and see how many ways you can find to decorate. You can put the feathers by just cutting a little slit and sticking feathers into these hats. And you can layer them with flowers, even use little punched flowers to decorate them. How about decorating them with little flat back rhinestones and gems, putting glitter on them? You can, put a glitter band around them or do some really cute things to decorate them and make them really cute and fun. So enjoy this. I hope you like this new digital sheet that'll be available in the shop. And until next time, go make some art, because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by.